This is how to change the assigned report card template. So we're going to go into the report card Zoom, and then we are going to go to the Twine academic report cards. And this is the Twine academic report card is assigned to 40 out of 47 report card sheets. And here we see that we have some homeroom classes assigned the academic report card sheet. Now I could go one by one finding the homerooms, click academic report card, hit the drop down, and go find a homeroom report card template. But that's a little complicated for doing it for multiple sheets. So what we want to do is filter out the ones we need, click the gear, and since we want to assign all homerooms to the same report card sheet, we can then click the checkbox to select all the homerooms, change template, and I'm just going to select basic attendance for this example, hit save. And now if we go here to the template section, if we select basic attendance, all of our homerooms are assigned the basic attendance report card. We go back to Twine report card and filter for homeroom. There is no homeroom report cards there. So that's how we assign specific templates or reassign templates to report cards if need be.